There we go. It's recording. Alrighty. Well, this is for you, Don. This is your 66 21 window microbus restoration. So we're gonna tap these holes. We've already tried to remove all the screws in here, and they're rusted in really good. So I got that one out. Just gonna do a little punch right here. So we can start the drill bit. Break one of these windows. Okay, here we go, round two. Quick 5-minute break, back at it. So, get these pop-outs drilled out. End up doing is that the metal? Oh, good. So looks like I've got the little triangle right here to weld back in the B-pillar post area. This is our B-pillar, but it's right here behind it. It ripped out of the metal. I'll end up repairing that and tagging that back in there. Anyways, big no-no. I need some safety glasses. Be right back. Okay. Always wear your safety glasses. So I'm only drilling out the heads on these. When I get the pop-outs down onto the ground, I'll actually finish reaming it all the way through. The drill bit is smaller than, so we're able to tap some screws back into it later. Works every time. Anyways, let's get these suckers drilled out. Okay. Got a couple heads still stuck on. I didn't find that. There it goes. What's that? Really?
Yeah, it's gotta be in the trailer.
What trailer?
The dump trailer.
Oh wow. All right. All right, we're gonna have to chisel that one back. Okay, that one's done. Only got two on this one, I think. Yeah, we got all the rest out. Let me see. Oh, there's three in this one. Cool. Got them all. We're going to pop those off. And that's it. Okay, we're back at it again. Pop the heads off a couple of these.